Have you ever really listened to what you say to yourself before you communicate? If you're like most of us, you're saying some pretty mean things to yourself. I should have prepared more. I can't believe how good that other person did. Why am I the person doing this? I should have slept more last night. All of this negative self-talk can get in the way of you communicating confidently and engaging with your audience. A wonderful technique you can use to quiet down or remove the negative self-talk is to come up with a positive phrase, affirmation, or mantra that you speak. This can cancel out those negative thoughts. I do this all the time. Before I speak, I will say, as the last thing I say to myself is, I have value to bring. And by saying that, it reminds me that there's something of value I can contribute here. And second, it focuses me on my audience. I am bringing value for them. It takes that spotlight off me and shines it on the audience. I encourage each of you, like professional athletes, to come up with a saying or phrase that you can use right before you communicate. It doesn't have to be amazing. It doesn't have to be, I'm the best communicator ever. It can simply be, I have value to bring. Now, for some of us, we are so habitually into saying negative things to ourselves that it might help to have some external reminder to say something positive. Somebody I coached recently uses a Post-it note that's on his notes. Somebody else I know, what she does is she programs into her phone a reminder 2 minutes before she's going to go out and give a presentation. And the reminder simply says her mantra. Come up with a mantra to say something positive or at least neutral to cancel out the negative things we say to ourselves and to set yourself up for success.